Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the latest TCS Ninja interview experience. This interview happened on 10th October 2021 and guys, it is of a 2022 batch candidate. And guys, this is the 10th interview experience for TCS Ninja profile for 2022 batch that I am covering on my channel. I have covered Ninja interviews for previous batches also. So all those videos you can find under this playlist. I will give the link of this playlist in the I button or in the description box. Make sure to check out each and every interview experience so that you can get to know the type of the questions which are getting asked in the interviews. Guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it as well as join my Telegram groups also. I am posting regular updates on different companies which are hiring as well as their interview experiences also. So guys, the link of the Telegram groups are given in the description box. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting a video, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. Okay, so guys, the date of the interview was 10th October 2021. The branch of my friend was CSC and the duration of the interview was 30 minutes. This comprised of all the three aspects, that is TR, MR and HR. So first of all, we will be discussing the technical round questions. First is, as you all know, will be about yourself, that what interviewer wants to know, that which candidate he is interviewing, that what are your skills, what are your projects you have worked on, internships you have done, extracurricular activities you are interested in, what are your hobbies. All these things you can include in this particular answer, but guys, remember to include only those skills in which you are confident in, because there can be a high chance that the things you describe about yourself in this particular answer, the entire interview may be only on your description part only about yourself. So kindly mention only those skills in which you are comfortable in. Okay, next is, what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? So guys, again, if you have knowledge in Java, then this is the most basic question that can be asked from you. So the higher part is JDK, that is Java Development Kit, and it consists of all the things like JAVAC, JHeap, JConsole. All these things are present in JDK. Next is JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. Now in this particular thing, it provides the Java classes and libraries for the program to run. Now next is JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which helps in running the bytecode which is generated after the compiling of the code. That helps in running it. Now JVM is platform dependent, whereas Java is platform independent. So guys, again, it's a very important question in an interview. Again, I have a separate playlist on my channel, or separate Java video on my channel, in which I have discussed the most commonly asked question in an interview from Java language. So do check that video also. So I hope this question is clear to you. Next is Linux command mentioned in resume. So this candidate mentioned that he knows Linux, and all those things are mentioned in the resume. So there were few basic questions which are asked from the Linux section only. So this candidate was not able to recall the exact questions, but there were certain Linux commands which were asked from him. Okay, the next question was, what do you know about cloud computing? Again, his project was based on cloud computing only, so the question was asked that what you know about cloud computing. So as again, prepare your resume very well, prepare your projects very well, because they will really be helpful in your interviews, because there will be majority of the questions on the technical questions will be related to your project or the project technology. So you must be aware of the technology that you have used in the project and how you have done these things. So I hope this question is clear to you, and again, this question was only based on the project that he has done in his resume. Okay. Next was a simple question, was logic of a palindrome program. So guys, there are coding questions which are getting asked in the interviews, but they are really basic questions that can be asked, because see, it is a Ninja package. Ninja package is only 3.36 LPA, so tough coding question will not be asked. So for this purpose only, I have made a separate video in which I have discussed all the technical questions, or you can say all the coding questions which have been asked in the interview till now. I will give the link of the video in the I button on the description notes. Make sure to visit it. And palindrome is a very common question which can be asked from you in any interview, whether it is Cognizant, Infosys or TCS. So kindly learn this program. I will try to give the link in the description box. I hope this thing is clear to you. Now guys, these are all the technical questions which are asked from my friend. Next were the MR questions. So first MR question was, explain about your project. So guys, kindly explain all the projects in your resume which you have mentioned. You must know the technology that you have used. You must know that what is your project is about, what problem you faced while doing the project, how you overcame that problem, and what is the real life problem that your project is solving, and how your project is different from the already made projects. So kindly explain all these things about all the projects you have mentioned in the resume, and try to mention at least one project in the resume. And guys, if you do not know that how you have to explain your project to the interviewer, then again I have a video on my channel. Again, the link will be present in the I button. Kindly watch it. Okay, next is why you want to join TCS. So guys, you must have a very good answer at why you want to join TCS. So you just cannot say just for the sake of placement I want to join TCS. You must know around 2 to 3 facts about the companies, on which technologies they work on, what are their recent news about the company, what you like about the company. All these things you have to mention while you are answering this type of questions. So kindly prepare this question very well. Next is why you are interested in development. So guys, again he mentioned 2 projects in his resume, and all the projects you can see that it is based on cloud computing and other new technologies. So it is basically development projects. So the interviewer asked it that why you are interested in development. So this was the question asked, and next question was explain your work in development. So they were asking that yes, we have seen your 2 projects. Now explain that what work you have done in the development and why you want only development work. So all these things you must be comfortable in, because we as engineers, we want that we should get development projects in in the company. So the person asked the question that why you want the development, why you are interested in development projects, and what work you have done in the development, and how you can be beneficial for our company. So all these things you have to prepare for your interview as well. Next was what changes did the pandemic made within you. So guys, it has been 1.5 years since we are at home. So what all things we have learned, how we have grown mentally, how we have made ourselves stronger, how we have benefited ourselves in this pandemic. All these things you can tell to the interviewer that what have been changed in your life. Like previously we used to go in classes and learn something, now we are studying online. So what all changes you have been made within you, now what you will prefer in future. So again, this you can tell to the interviewer in this particular questions. So I hope this is clear to you. Next is any question for the panel. So MR asked him that any questions for the panel. So guys, whenever an interviewer asks you that you have any questions for us or not, so kindly ask 2 to 3 questions from the interviewer, because it will put a very good impression on the interviewer that you are seriously interested in the company and you just does not want the company just for the sake of placement. So you can ask that what role I will be given, what all projects I will be working on, what all technologies I will be working on. All these things you can ask from the interviewer, so it will be a good for you. Okay, next, these are all the MR questions, and next were the HR questions. And HR questions we all know are basic only. First was any backlogs. So again, it is dependent on you. Please do not lie in this that you do not have any backlog, because in the end if they find out, they will simply reject you. So kindly tell them that yes, you have this many backlogs if you have. Next is any education gap. Again, do not lie, because they have all the certificates, they perform background check on you, so they will find out that yes, you are having an education gap. And the last question was, she said that, it means the HR said that background check will be in few days, so keep an eye on the mail, you may be contacted on that. So it means that once your interview is over, many of the candidates have to show their certificates. They can either ask you to share your screen and show them your certificates of 10th, 12th college mark sheets, or after the interview they can ask you to send them the certificates via mail. So all these things can happen with you. So kindly, once you have given the interview, be active on your mail. Check at least twice or thrice in a day for the mail, because any company, not just TCS, any company can ask you to share your documents with them, because it helps them in making decision whether to select you or not based on your documents. So these are all the questions which were asked from this candidate. I hope this video will really be informative for you, and it will help you in preparing for your interview. If you liked the video, thanks for watching it, and kindly like and subscribe this channel and show your support towards this channel. Thank you for watching it.